Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick Boxycharm unboxing and I'm just going to play around with some of the products. So first up, the weight of my box. It doesn't say the weight of it, it just says PS lightweight, US postage paid. That's it. Sometimes it says it, sometimes it doesn't. Sorry if I offended anyone for not knowing it. But first up in it is the Artist Couture, and this is the Summer Haze. I'm going to open it up. And this is a diamond glow powder. This is actually a huge pain to get the stickers off. It's a huge pain to get the stickers off because you can't really get in there. So I just took tweezers and poked little holes through these circles. Here's what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. It's really, really pretty. It looks like a dusty gold type. It doesn't look too overwhelming or too overpowering. You look really closely at it too, it almost has like little pops of like lavender, like a little bit of a light blue type in it. It's really, really pretty and it feels really, really silky, so I feel like when I put this on my skin, it's not going to bring out a lot of the texture, so we'll see when I actually put that on my skin if that's true. Then we have a pack of 3 Luxie brushes, and this is the Summer Days brush set. We have the Power Up by Butter London mascara, then Beauty for Real eyeliner, and the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm going to open up the palette right now because looking at it on the outside looks really, really pretty, and it looks like there's some shimmers and stuff like that. So I don't know what kind of look I want to do today, but I want to just do something really glowy and fun and fresh. Definitely has those Coachella vibes, which I've never been to Coachella and I really, really want to go. But I live on the East Coast, so it'll probably never happen. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. Hang on, let me take off the plastic. Find my nails either. From being at BeautyCon this past weekend, I swear to you, it was like the longest 2 days of my life. By the end of the weekend, they were just looking rough, so I just totally took them off and then I had to get them redone. But here's the palette. It's really, really pretty, really, really shimmery, nice, bright, fun. I got those electric vibes feels. Again, in the past, I've had Pure palettes that kind of suck and, you know, they don't swatch that great. They go in my eye like chalky. But then I've had also other Pure palettes that go on my eye really, really pretty and look beautiful and bright and swatch really, really nicely, and they blend really good. So hopefully this one does. So first up, I'm going to take this orange color and I'm going to use this as my base transition. I'm going to put it basically on my brow bone and kind of just blend it up. Then I'm going to take the hot pink color, and I was super impressed. This is one swipe and it went right on my lid. I didn't have a primer or anything, and I'm just using a flat brush, and I'm going to pop that all over my lid. I'm going to start to kind of come up in like a half moon type, and I'm going to have it meet where I put that orange color. You want to be a little bit precise with the line right here, and then I'm going to take a little bit of a blending brush and just blend those edges together, but you want to just use little circular motions or it can get messy. Now this color, this is like a red lipstick. It wasn't in the box, but I put that down as a wing and I used it as almost a base so that this glitter color would really, really stick. So use any red lipstick you have basically. And so I'm taking just a little angled brush and I'm going to dip that into the glitter, and I'm just going to push it onto my skin, and I'm going to follow that line that I used with the lipstick. You basically just want to be really careful. I was really surprised though, there wasn't much fallout at all. I was expecting a lot more fallout. So yeah, the lipstick definitely helped it stick in place. Then I'm going to use this silvery color and I'm just going to pop that onto my eyebrow bone for a little bit of highlight. This color is really pretty. I was impressed by this palette. I liked it a lot. Then I'm going to take this orangey color, and this is like a sandy orange. I thought it was really pretty, and I'm going to use that for my lower lash line. This look isn't obviously like an everyday look. I just wanted to do something fun and the festival vibe deal, but yeah, just different and fun. So then I'm going to take that glow powder by the Artist Couture, and I'm going to pop that basically all over my skin. And I was right about it. I feel like it didn't bring out a lot of texture. I used this brush, but it definitely isn't what you should probably use this brush for, because I felt like it just kind of put everything in one place instead of kind of buffing it out. So I went back over with a big fluffy brush to help it blend. Then I used this red color by Maybelline that I picked up at BeautyCon. It's so pretty. It has like a tint of orange. This obviously wasn't in the box, but I just wanted to show you guys what I used. So I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you soon.